heart of Europe lies Germany, and the southern town of Balingen is home to a company that has revolutionised modern environmental testing. Vötsch Industrie Technik. Vötsch has a wide range of environmental test chambers to accommodate your specific testing needs. These chambers can be found in all industries, in laboratories, universities, product research and development, for any application and for any testing demand. Vötsch has the testing solution from small to large. Vötsch was founded in 1929 by Ernst Vötsch and was the first to introduce environmental testing equipment. Today, 340 highly skilled experts design, engineer and manufacture the Vötsch chambers here. In 2006, the company had a record turnover of 60 million euros and shipped some 1,500 chambers throughout the world. And this is the very beginning of every chamber. High-quality steel plates are being delivered and stored for further processing. In a first step, a computer-programmed machine cuts the metal sheets. Hundreds of different perforation profiles are stored for the large variety of chambers produced by Vötsch. Flat metal sheets are then being shaped with the support of a computer-controlled machine, giving the parts the right profile needed to build the outer housing of the chamber. Door elements are being welded together and get their final touch to ensure a burrs-free surface. The outer housing is welded together, burrs are being removed. The chamber parts are then being stored for the next production step, the epoxy powder coating. Great care is taken to prepare each part before entering the powder coating process. A conveyor belt transports the housing components and other metal parts to the coating station, where workers check again the surface quality and smoothness. Critical areas like edges and corners are being extra polished before the epoxy powder is applied in thick layers. In a burn-in process, the epoxy powder is then backed onto the surface of the housings, providing the most rigid lifetime protection for the chambers. In the meantime, the inner test space is being assembled. Imprinted thin stainless steel plates, such as this floor element, are used for the inner compartment. The worker mounts the walls of the inner test space container into a special welding machine. The steel plates are then being welded together. A laser is used for this unique process. The welding process is repeated until the inner test space is finished. The result is a groove-free, smooth and vapor-tight inner test space container that is easy to clean, a unique feature of every Vötsch chamber. The test space containers are then fitted with lead-throughs and sealings and are now ready to be mounted into the housings. further seals are fitted to ensure perfect protection against vapour. Rivets are used to join the inner container with the outer housing. To protect the outer housing from the harsh temperature conditions inside of the test space, the chamber has to be insulated. The chamber is fixed onto a vibration table, an exhaust tube is connected and insulation flakes are being filled into the chamber. These flakes fill the cavity between the test space container and its housing. A good insulation is of critical importance for the performance characteristic of each chamber. At the same time, the chamber door is being prepared. The window package consists of 5 layers of insulation glass. This ensures an optimum thermal barrier to the test space. The heart of each environmental test chamber is its cooling unit. A computer-programmed machine bends the various copper tubes required to assemble the refrigeration system. With great precision, this machine creates tubes in complex designs, while each tube is an exact copy of the original. Different rigs, one for every available Vötsch chamber, are used to ensure that each refrigeration system is welded in exactly the same design and shape. This is part of the rigorous quality control at Vötsch. Meanwhile, the electrical cabinet and the control boards are being assembled and wired before all these components come together for the first time at the chamber assembly. In a final step, the housing with the inner test space, the cooling machine, the compressor, condenser, the electrical cabinet and the door are being installed and connected. The air conditioning unit of the chamber is connected to the cooling machine. Valves and sensors are being wired to the electrical cabinet. Now the chamber is ready for its first performance test in the test area. Every Vötsch chamber is tested and the performance data is documented. The chambers are equipped with temperature and humidity sensors. During predefined temperature and climatic tests, performance data are recorded and archived for each of the 1500 chambers annually produced at Vötsch. Factory calibration certificates are issued by the Vötsch in-house DKD certified calibration lab, providing the confidence and security of receiving a perfectly calibrated chamber. Accredited by the German DKD calibration authorities, Vötsch can issue internationally accepted calibration certificates. A worry-free package for customers that require such certificates. In a second production building, Vötsch engineers and builds a wide range of large customised chambers, including a range of walk-in chambers, vibration, solar radiation, material test and other customised chambers. This variety of different chambers underlines the engineering capability of Vötsch to deliver customised solutions, one of the strong points of the company. Once tested and quality approved, the chambers are ready for shipment via truck, air or ship. And soon another customer will enjoy the unmatched performance, quality and reliability of a Vötsch environmental test chamber. Thousands of customers around the world trust Vötsch to run their vital tests, improve on their products and reduce failure rates. what can we do for you today. Vötsch, the #1 supplier of environmental test chambers from Europe.